Gentlemen of the press, thank you for the opportunity. I'm here once again to let you know what is happening in our society. This time around is the appointment of executive secretaries, heads and personal aides, directors, and other staffs into the Federal Capital Territory Administration. The Constitution established the fact that Federal Capital Territory is for all Nigerians, not for any state, not for any tribe, not for any particular religion. So, and as such, the appointment into the executive cabinet of FCT should reflect the principle of a federal character. Of course, if you are from Bayelsa and you cannot claim that the governor of Sokoto should appoint you as a commissioner, because the governor is only there for the interest of that state. But if you're a minister for FCT, you are an agent of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the appointment must, MUST, reflect the principle of federal character. And you cannot carry out any appointment in gross violation or disregard of a Federal Character Establishment Act. So we try as much as possible, not only as a human rights activist, not only as a lawyer practicing in FCT, but as a stakeholder of APC in FCT. So we try as much as possible to let the minister know that you should carry other region along. But he felt that maybe FCT administration is his father's inherited limited company. So we said, no, we can't keep watching and we cannot fight. So we decided to come to court. I have filed the action before the Federal High Court, and in the action where I raised three fundamental legal issues for determination. And that issues, I argued them thoroughly in my written address, and in support of my affidavits, in support of the originating motion, I also have a 20 paragraphs affidavits where I establish all those facts, asking court to determine. So we have filed, so we are waiting for the court to give us a date. So that is why I'm here, gentlemen of the press.
Essentially, what are the major reliefs being sought by?
Yes, I have a copy which I will make available for you, but the principal relief is a declaration of the Honorable Court that by the clear and unequivocal and manifest provisions of sections 1, sections 4, sub 1, paragraph A and B, and sections 5 of the Federal Character Commission Establishment Act, and the fourth defendant, here is a person of is the Federal Character Commission, that the fourth defendant is empowered by the law to formulate principles and guidelines for the application of the Federal Character principles of fairness and equitable distribution of all cadre of posts in the federal government of Nigeria, and to ensure compliance to the state formula. So this is the principal relief. Then we have other reliefs which I'll make copies available for you.
We're done. And where is the bias?
Oh well, because of time, I may not be able to, but all their names are here, because we have from the information we gathered, Ibrahim Abubakar, that's the Secretary, Area Council, Abubakar Ibrahim, Secretary, Agriculture and Rural Development, Sani Ezaka Su, Secretary, Education, Dr. Abubakar Tafida, Secretary, Health, Mohammed Omar, Secretary, Lagos Secretariat. Hadiza Mohammed, Secretary, Social Development Secretariat. Zachary Angulu, Dobi, Secretary, Transportation. So you now discover that these are only one religion and one region. So you ask yourself, where is the position of the person from the southeast here? Here is the position of the person from the south here. Here is the position for the person from the southwest here. And this is one of the things that is encouraging agitation. This is one of the things that is making people to talk about separatism. Yes. So if we should keep quiet and nobody challenge this thing, people, our children yet unborn, will think that this is a norm. These are the laws, and the laws say that for you to do, even in the constitution, you should operate where it will reflect. You are talking about one Nigeria. Gentlemen of the press, where is one Nigeria here? Where is one Nigeria in this appointment? So that is why we are here. So I now enjoin you people to go and ask them questions. Look at what I'm saying. Is it true? Are you saying that it's only people from the north and from the Muslims that you can get people who are competent? And when we are talking about the appointment, check FCT area council services, agriculture and rural development, education, health, legal services, social development, transport, economic planning, and what have you. Then what next remain? And everybody is keeping quiet. That is the norm in Nigeria now. Are you not? We are not aware when they brought out the list of judges last year. We challenged it, fought it, so they withdraw the list in order not to let us know what was going on. Though the same list was brought under 4 days, they swore them in, and the minister has taken the lead, has followed the step, and another person now will still follow the step. So that's what we are saying. I heard of it. That was, I think, either on Wednesday or Thursday. Before you could say Jack Robinson, they swore them in on Tuesday.
Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.